What's up to all my amazing subscribers and viewers? You've been uploading videos for weeks, maybe even months, and your YouTube channel still isn't growing. No views, no subs. And you're probably thinking, what am I doing wrong? Stop scrolling, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly why your channel is stuck and how to fix it starting today. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 biggest mistakes small creators make and how to finally break through the algorithm. Hey, creators! Welcome back to the tutorial masterclass where we turn struggling YouTubers into success stories. If you're serious about growing your channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Alright guys, let's talk about 3 key points. Number 1, your titles and thumbnails are killing you. Listen, YouTube doesn't have a views problem. It has a click problem. If nobody clicks, YouTube stops pushing your video. So if your title says, Vlog number 3, my day, instead, make it about the value. Example, change my day at the park to YouTube channel not growing. Watch this. See the difference? Curiosity plus value equals clicks. Number 2, you're ignoring watch time and retention. Getting clicks is great, but if people leave after 10 seconds, YouTube bans your video from the algorithm. How do you fix that? Simple. Hook your audience immediately. Start strong, cut out boring intros, and give viewers a reason to stay. Try saying, in the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you X. This promises value right away. And trust me, YouTube loves videos that keep people watching. And number 3, you have no strategy. Random uploads don't work anymore. You need a system. Pick one niche, post consistently, and learn how to read your analytics. Your channel should scream, this is who I help and this is how. The clearer your channel message, the easier it is for YouTube to recommend you. If this helped you, subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass and hit like and drop a comment. I'm ready to grow. Don't give up. You're one video away from blowing up. Big shout out to all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Remember this, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the journey and a sign that you're growing. Every mistake is a lesson that makes you better. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Have an awesome day, everyone.